Hello and welcome to our Aeros Collect 101 Getting Started, Part 1, Creating a Form. Throughout this series, we're going to be using this sample purchase requisition. In this first video, we'll create some basic fields on a brand new form. Let's get started. Starting from the Aeros Collect dashboard, we're going to go up to App Builder and then down to Screens. When the screen loads, we're then going to select the Add New button in the upper right. From the left-hand side, we're going to make sure Data Entry Form is selected. Then we will give it a name, for example, PO Request. Optionally, I will give it an icon, such as a shopping cart. When done, I will click the Create button. Once on the screen here, we can see by default it gives us a page title option. I'm going to change this page title to Request Details, for example. The next thing it does is it creates a sample field. It automatically brings in, by default, one field. I'm going to get rid of this for my purposes today. The first field I want is the user to key in an item number field. So I'm going to click the numeric field option over here on the left, the big number 3. It adds it to the form, and then I'm going to go over to these options on my right. The first option is the data name. This is a unique name for this field on the form. I'm going to call it item code. Then I'm going to give it a title, such as item code. I'm going to make it required, and I'm going to leave the number type at integer, which is a whole number. Next, I'm going to have the user give me a description of what the item is. I'm going to click the A to indicate a text box. I'm going to select the field and also give it a data name, such as item description. I will have a title text of enter description. I will also make this required. Next, I will have the user specify a quantity they wish to order. Clicking the number 3 again, giving it a data name of quantity, and type in quantity requested. I will also make this required. Now my number type, I can also choose a decimal option. This will allow the user to enter in up to 2 decimal places within the value. Next, we'll do another numeric field to enter in the price. I'll give it a data name and a price. I will make this required and also make it a decimal field. Finally, I will ask the user to sign the form. I'll enter the Draw Signature field, click it, give it a data name of signature, and give it a title text of Please Sign. I'll make this required, and I will hit the checkbox for Capture Signature. Once I'm complete, I can click the Save button. I've now successfully created my very first form. Watch our next video on how you can test this on the mobile device.